Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to screen capture on Android. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Android phone. Then if we want to screen capture on Android, we can simply press on volume button and also power button at the same time. Let's practice it together, guys. Alright, and actually there is another way to screen capture on Android. We can simply click on Assistant menu right here. Then click on Screenshots. Alright, and if you want to make the assistant menu appear on your screen, you can simply activate it by going to your settings app on your phone. And okay guys, that's how we can screen capture on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, leave your comments, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video.